Morning everyone. I wanted to share a little bit of a preview of the Agapanthus tutorial. So I went to a wine farm and these beautiful Agapanthus flowers were there under a massive tree, but they were all about to open and it was just beautiful. So I took quite a lot of photos. The wine farm is Dimmersdal in the Western Cape, which I will show you right now. It's a gorgeous wine farm. And these are the photos that I took of the Agapanthus flowers. And then I actually painted this on a big piece of paper. I would say about a A3 paper. So you can go and make it much bigger than what you want to, or you can make it smaller. So I made line drawing about a A4 size for you. But you can absolutely adjust your printer and print it much bigger and then just trace it on a big piece of paper. The paper I use is the Arch hot press watercolor paper, or Arches, whatever, however you call it or say it. There's quite a few different ways to say it, but this is the way it turned out, and I just thought I wanted to show you a little bit of a preview because I'm not going to give too much away. But it turned out beautiful. It's more like quite a few parts. There's already 3 parts to the tutorial, and I wasn't going to make a full step-by-step tutorial, but you can definitely paint this flower because I show you so much, I share so much, but I also find that everyone's got their own style. So this will just help you and show you how I got to certain parts and how I painted certain parts. And this is the way it turned out. I actually painted it quite a while ago and I stored it on my external hard drive now because it used to be in the cloud. Took so long to download because of the data and load shedding and whatever. But anyway, here it is now. I am going to upload the next one very soon. It should be available for the weekend, and I will see you soon with all of the tutorials for this one. And then I am painting the beautiful passion flower, also quite a fun tutorial. I'm busy with that and it should be uploaded next. I I upload the videos as I finish them editing. It's easier for me at this stage because it's a new year and these are very long tutorials, so for me this is the way I am able to do it at the moment, especially the longer ones. So the shorter ones are much quicker to upload, but these ones are much more longer. Anyway, have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy this. And here is a little preview of the passion flower that I'm painting as well, which should be done very soon. And I use my mechanical pencil just to draw in those hairy bits on the passion flower. Then I'm going to go in and just darken the center and the petals. I'm still busy with this. There is a beautiful grenadilla or passion fruit that I already painted that you can go and have a look at as well, that I will link on this tutorial when I upload this whole tutorial, but you can go and have a look at how I painted that. I just share the way I paint my videos in my style, so it is just something to help you. You don't have to paint exactly like I do. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this. It is weekend, so go and take a relax, and I hope you have time to paint, and I will see you with some more tutorials very soon, or more videos, or just updates on life.